Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining in. Today, I've got Matt and Casey with me, and this is part two of the video. It's a very interesting story because we are both digital marketer certified partners. We met in June, which is 2022, about 4 months ago in Austin, Texas, and we got talking, and I did a similar interview like this, or a video like this one. So I would like to hand over the mic to them and see what has happened since then and what inspired them to get their video marketing journey started. So thanks for joining in, guys. And yeah, over to you.
Yeah, so right. We met in June, and we did an interview just like this, and it really challenged us. We do a lot of scripted video content, highly produced, and we realized we are really missing out. Watching what you've done, what you've built, we decided to get our act in gear and start producing regular video content. And so, yeah, we started doing a YouTube channel. We had a YouTube channel, but we weren't producing content regularly. We were putting our portfolio there. And so we've started producing content on a very regular basis, and it's been dynamic. It's awesome.
It's so good to hear that. And just for total transparency, I did not tell them to get started with video marketing. I just did an interview and put the video on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter, and all that. And they're intelligent bunch of guys, and they picked up what they're missing out on, because it's huge. Why would you leave so much cash on the table for somebody to swipe under your nose? And you guys, being in the video game, I'm sorry, but you guys have got no excuse not to do it, right?
Yes, it's absolutely true, and we've actually really enjoyed it because we do so much produced scripted work. We kind of felt this pressure, like this regular unscripted stuff had to be like a certain quality for us, and then we were like, no, let's just do something that's attainable that we can do regularly. And so we kind of had to take some of that pressure off, and we've really enjoyed it. We've really enjoyed it.
So what's your content workflow now? How much content are you producing, and at what regular intervals?
Yeah, so attainable for us right now, we're trying to do about one a week, which is nothing like your kind of volume, but one a week is where we're starting. And we'll do things like we'll take the all-time funniest Super Bowl commercials or funny emails, and we're like reviewing like commercials and things like that. Just fun stuff. Yeah.
And then what I would also recommend you do is share it on your social, send emails out, start getting traffic. And after this interview, I'm going to show you a snapshot of our organic growth to our website from YouTube. And it's been crazy. We're growing 25% month on month. Last September, we were getting about 25-30 clicks a day. Right now, we're at about 150. And we're aiming, so it equates to about just over 4,000, 5,000 visitors a web per month. We're aiming to hit at least 10,000 visitors in the next 5 months, and then about 50,000. That's my goal in 12 months. And I'm not saying these numbers to brag, but I want to be held accountable. So hopefully next year, when we come back to the same spot, we'll do the same. Another into part 3, we're going to talk about your journey, and I'm going to talk about my journey as to what's happening. So yeah, it's so refreshing to hear and see that, even if it makes difference to one person to the work we are doing as marketeers, it's worth its while.
That's right. Yeah, it's been a journey, but it's been fun, and I think for us that's what took the pressure off. I wanted to be probably a lot more polished than Matt did with our YouTube content, and sometimes just starting is better than trying to get it perfect.
Yeah, absolutely. Just get started. So one final tip for anyone who is in your shoes 3 months ago, we just want to get started, what would that one tip be?
Oh, I'm going to let Matt take that one. Yeah.
I think you had a great one. It's like done is better than perfect, and you'll get better as you keep going along, and it's going to become more comfortable, and you'll learn little things and tweak, and it's going to get better and better, but you just have to start.
Yeah. And you were talking about earlier on that you mentioned that, we are like a machine, we keep churning out content. It wasn't the case like that. 4 years ago, I was on my own doing this, learning this, and slowly built up our team, the workflows, the systemization, and once it's all in place, then you can put your feet up and then just let the machine roll on. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Lovely to see you.
Thank you.
And we'll catch up again sometime soon. And thanks for watching.